children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, as I have already explained you and I have taught you about the shelters and home children. As I told you, the shelter is a place which protect us from the natural elements such as rain, storm, heat and cold. And not only the human beings need a shelter, even the animals need homes. They also need a shelter. And now when we live together with all the family members in a house, it becomes, we call it as a home. You are secure, you are safe, you are comfortable, isn't it? And many houses together, we live together, we are a social animals, है ना? And the neighbors help us when we are in need. Okay, now I have also taught you the kind of houses better, the two main kind of houses which you have already learned in lower classes also, that is the kacha house and the pakka house. You know that the kacha houses are generally found in the villages better. This is a kacha house found in villages. They're made of wood, straw and mud. And a kacha house is also called as a hut. Okay, and the roof of a kacha house is generally made of straw and it is called as a thatched roof. Okay, now a roof may also be made up of tin also and the other modern materials nowadays. You must have seen. Okay, they have a plastic also. During rainy season they put a plastic over it better, so that they don't have a seepage. The rain doesn't seep inside the house. Then come to the pakka house. Yes, it is made up of, it's made up of bricks, cement, iron and wood, children. Nowadays pakka house you find in the villages also. Okay, so there are many types of pakka house, children. Okay, now see, now due to the lack of space in cities, the builders are building the multi-story houses that it called as apartment, children. It is called as the apartment. Okay, and these houses are built one top of the other. See, one up the other. Okay, it's called an apartment, while the bungalow is a single story. This is a single story, only one floor only it has, only single story. Okay, and apartment, apart from the security, these modern houses also provide many facilities. They have a lift, and you know that the type of houses, it depends upon the climate of the place, beta material which is available over there. Okay, whichever material is available, the house is constructed with the help of that only, and the most important factor is the money. Okay, children, now I'll talk about the Assam first. Okay, now as Assam gets heavy rainfall, there's a flood also. So what does the people do? They make a tall pillar with the bamboos. Here you can see, on that they make a house. Okay, and that too with a wood only, and they use a ladder to get into their house, children. Okay, because it rains a lot. And such houses are often seen in Assam, in the northeast India, the parts of Indonesia and the equatorial Africa, children. And of course igloo, you everybody knows that in a snow covered area, that especially the Antarctica region, that is Greenland and Antarctica. Yes, you will find a igloo, and they make an igloo with a block of snow and the ice, children, isn't it, children? And you will find uh, this sloping roof. Yes, I'm talking about this in the hilly areas where there are heavy snowfall. The people living in the hilly areas and the mountainous area usually have the houses with the sloping roof, so that the rain or the snow slides off the roof easily. Okay, such houses are found in the Indian state of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, cold countries of Europe and the North America, children. Okay, sometimes they have seen that the people who are living in the forest, many people, they love nature. They like to live in the forest, in the jungle. So they make a house on the tree. It is called as a tree house, children. Okay, now let's talk about something very important. These are very common, which you have already learned. Now something new. Okay, what is that? Yes, first I'll begin with a yurt. Y-U-R-T. Y-U-R-T, yurt. You find in the Kyrgyzstan. Okay, this yurt is found in Central Asia, beta. Now the nomadic horsemen. Nomadic horsemen means, nomads means who? The Banzaras, the people who don't stay in one place. Okay, they keep moving from one place to another. Okay, they are called gypsies also. And they usually live in a tent, and this yurt is usually made up of, it is of round shape. It's a rounded tent called the yurt. Okay, nomads are the people who do not stay in one place and they move from one place to another, children. Okay, now there is one more kind of a tent that is called as a tepees, Tepees, or tents we say, and this is usually made up of animal skin, or we say hide. What is hide? Hide, it is called as a skin, animal skin. Okay, the red Indians or the Native Americans, they used to live in the tepees or the tents, and these tents were made up of animal hides and the skin beta. Okay, so please remember yurt, yurt, yurt. It is found in the Kyrgyzstan, the Central Asia, the nomadic horsemen. They make this rounded tent. Okay, and they move from one place to another, those nomads. And then next comes the tepees. I told you in the Native America, and it is made up of animal skin, animal hide, that is the animal skin. Okay, and the common one which you have already seen so many times you have seen, I'm talking about the houseboat. Where it is here it is. Okay, this to everybody knows, the houseboat which is in Kashmir, the Kerala. Those have not been to Kerala, and there many are not aware that even the houseboat is there in the Kerala also, beta. Okay, you find in Kerala and Jammu and Kashmir, beta. Please remember that. Now, next video, I'll be sending you about what is a good house, what all factors are needed for a good house, beta. Till then, please take care and be safe. God bless you, children.